Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. I hope all are doing well. Today I am going to review L'Oreal Paris Hyaluronic Acid Serum 30 ml quantity, retails for price 999, that is nearly 1000 rupees. Available on Nykaa, Myntra, almost everywhere. Made in China, and this is non-sponsored video. Smaller, deeper and fast penetration. How to use: apply few drops on cleansed face or after toning the skin. Avoid eye area. Here is the review. This serum everyone knows, right? I have oily, sensitive, acne prone skin. I have already used 15 ml bottle, and through that then again bought the bigger sized bottle, that is 30 ml quantity. On that time the price was 700 something, but now the price get increased up to 1000 rupees, like very costly, because it is become popular in these years. This serum suits me well, no irritation. I am able to feel the plumping effect after application of this serum, but so costly. If you're really able to invest to buy this extra skincare stuff, then you can buy, but I will not buy this. We'll try to buy it in the future if possible. Yes, I like the product. This product also exhausted, but I don't buy extra stuff unnecessarily. Don't waste your money. Only buy if you really want to use on a regular basis and if you really need. And the plumping effect you will feel only till you use the product. After exhausting this, you will see the original skin back. So the effect is not permanent, it is temporary. Consistency of the serum is not runny or thin. It is little bit thicker one. Good consistency, you will definitely like it. Get absorbed well into the skin and skin feels soft, glowy, plumped and healthy. Yes, I tried to cover everything in this video. If you have also tried this product, then let me know your thoughts about this product in the comment section below. Try to share your short review. I hope the video is helpful. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching.